Shalom, brothers and sisters. Peace, greetings, and all that good stuff. Man, we're going to talk about child support facts versus child support opinions. Child support facts versus child support opinions. And I want to get on some of you bitch ass niggas. There's going to be a lot of you guys who ain't going to get on child support. And I'm going to tell you the facts and I'm going to tell you why. Alright? And that's all we do. We state the facts. We don't state nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Now listen to this video. And I'm going to come out with another video called Child Support Regurgitators. Alright? This woman here, I don't know, y'all know her, these other channels talking about doing discoveries and all this old shit, sounding like lawyers and shit, and they losing. And if you put up your paperwork and you sound like a lawyer, then you lose. You know, you don't know what the fuck you talking about. You don't state no facts. Most of you guys are like this broad right here. You know, listen to what she say do.
Hearing. I'm in Florida. I can't appear personally, and I would like to finalize this. Is there a way to have a trial, a fact-finding trial? And she said, yes, this is what you have to do. You have to make a pretrial statement. So you're letting the judge know what you are going to present, what facts you're going to present. You give him a list of what you're going to do, and you give the information to him, and you also have to send it to your ex. That's called discovery. You cannot have a trial.
Now, do we talk about doing discoveries on our channel? No. Okay? What are you going to discover? That you're a fool? You're going to discover that you don't know how to mind your own motherfucking business? Huh? You're going to discover that you're sorry? You're going to discover that you lazy and need to go get a motherfucking job? Child support is a broke bitch hustle, okay? Now let me go to the beginning of this shit. Those are facts that I just stated. Those are facts. And somebody gave her some opinions, okay, and told her what to do. You know, those fucking opinions. Those are not facts. Now,
4 years after my divorce, I'm going to child support.
Now listen to her. She's hurt after 4 years, still trying to get money, still begging, broke hustling, you know. Listen to this shit.
For child support now. When I first went for child support, as I was getting divorced, which is something that I was obligated to do in order to get divorced, he gave his W-2s, I gave mine. Now in the state of New York, it's very simple. Child support is just calculated by salary. You put both salaries in. It's a formula. You divide. You get a percentage of the.
She said child support in California is simple. No, that's an opinion. That's not a fact.
Or the other parent pays a certain percentage of what they make, and then, you know, there's the formula and there's the amount they're supposed to pay. However, in this case, the W-2s my ex gave were based on the last 2 years of our marriage when I was the primary financial provider. So I think one W-2 was $5,000 and the other one was like negative $1,090, where he lost business that year. So it was next to nothing. The judge asked my ex at that point, "Is this all you can make?" And my ex said, "Yes, you know, business is slow." And the judge said, "Well, then you're in poverty level and your only obligation is $50 a month." I swear my ex almost fell out of his chair with joy. It was like he had an emotional orgasm right there in court in front of everybody and trying to contain it.
Woo! God damn, I had to laugh at that one. Emotional orgasm. Wow, that's a beautiful one. You know what I'm saying? facts, man. Fact of this child support shit. He played both of these motherfuckers. And he only paying them, what, $50? You know what I'm saying? $50 a month. Now, fellas, if you're going to pay child support, get in the range of that. Child support is, I'm going to give you another fact. Child support doesn't work for me and my business partner and the other guys that deal with us. It don't work for us. That's a fact. The fact is, it works for dumbass people. That's a fact. Okay? That's another fact. You know, and I'm going to give you an example of opinion. And I hate to use the B word. I believe that every man should take care of their offspring without third parties, without especially not a woman telling them what to do. Hey, but to me, that's still a fact. So the fact remains, if you underhanded, if you dirty, you gonna pay child support. And for you bitch ass niggas that's calling, I had 2 motherfuckers call me yesterday. I told them my price, and they got off the phone, and they ain't like my price. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you the fact is, they ass gonna stay on child support because they underhanded and they ain't grew no balls and they a woman. You know what I'm saying? That's a fact. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a fair warning. Don't call if you ain't ready. You know what I'm saying? We're not Goodwill. We're not the thrift store. You better come with some bread. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You better come with the donation. We require you. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, hey, fuck it. You don't have to get our fucking services. Let me repeat myself. You don't have to get our fucking services. Pick up a book. You know what I'm saying? Take a look. It's in a fucking book. The Reading fucking Rainbow. It's not on the internet. Alright? You can probably find some shit on the internet. But all your answers is not on the fucking internet. Alright? Because you can fix the shit and reword the shit. You know what I'm saying? Take it from an expert. Go read a fucking book. Because I promise you, the fucking bookstores and the libraries are fucking empty. So is your brain. Okay? So most of you airhead motherfuckers, come over here. You better come correct. I'm going to find this email. I'm going to put this dude on blast. Alright? I'm going to put him on blast because he turned bitch because he got mad at my price. And he putting up YouTube videos and at a little show trying to rap. And talking about he ain't got no money, but he posting up syrup and a bunch of money and some Swisser sweets. Okay? That's the shit that we deal with. Fucking bird brains. You got some bird brain niggas and bitches. Okay? Child support facts versus opinions. You know what I'm saying? Most of you broke motherfuckers have opinions. The people with money have facts. And I'm just gonna state the facts. And that's what we talk about. We don't deal with that legal shit. You know. None of that. We deal with the law. And we deal with what the law says. Alright? Because you can break the law, but you can't break the legal. Alright? Because y'all up here talking about illegal shit. Most of you fuckers is illiterate. You know? So hit us up. Peace.